I have rationalized the numerator by multiplying root x plus root 3. Here we find x tends to y. Sign ratios are there. Now we have to think about the standard limit. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. Now cos of pi plus theta, that means angle in the third quadrant where cos is negative. Morning students, viewers, welcome to btosacademy, welcome to my maths class. Today I shall continue the topic limit. Actually I shall work out more sums on limits today. Already I have written sums on the board and now I am going to work out one by one. Number 1 first. I am not copying here. One thing, first we note the numerator and denominator are in irrational form. Now, root over x square minus 9 can be written as under square root x plus 3 into x minus 3. And we find here root over 1 minus, root over x minus 3. Therefore, if I take this one and this one, applying the distributive law of division, then x minus 3 will be cancelled out as x tends to 3. X is not equal to 3. Next, this part is to be taken. For this, we have to rationalize. Let us move. For this part, we cancel this one, mentioning x is not equal to 3. Therefore, we get limit x tends to 3, 1 by root over x plus 3 plus, now we have to rationalize here, limit x tends to 3 root x minus root 3 into root x plus root 3 into root x plus root 3. Note this step. I have rationalized the numerator by multiplying root x plus root 3. Root x plus root 3 has been multiplied here as well as at the denominator. Now, finally, I put the value. I get 1 by root 6 for this part, and this one product is x minus 3. Now, numerator is x minus 3. That can be written as root over x minus 3 into root over x minus 3. I write that and since x is not equal to 3, now this one is 1 by root 6 plus, finally we have to put the value as x tends to 3, x equal to 3, putting that we get this one becoming 0, numerator is 0 but denominator is non-zero. Therefore, finally the answer is 1 by root 6. I think you have noted down. Next, I shall move to the second sum. Number 2. Here we find limit x tends to pi by 6. But in case of trigonometric limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, that is the standard limit. But here we find x tends to pi by 6. Therefore, we must think about changing the variable. Also, here denominator is x minus pi by 6. For that, we change the variable taking x minus pi by 6 equal to say y. Let x minus pi by 6 is equal to y. Therefore, y tends to 0 as x tends to pi by 6. Therefore, given limit is equal to limit y tends to 0 here x equal to y plus pi by 6. Therefore, we substitute that root 3 sine within brackets y plus pi by 6 minus cos of y plus pi by 6, and the denominator is y. Now, the numerator is to be simplified. I simplify separately. Numerator is equal to root 3 sin y cos pi by 6 means root 3 by 2 plus cos y into half minus cos y minus sin y we have to wrap the Now we multiply by root 3, 3 by 2 sin y plus root 3 by 2 cos y minus root 3 by 2 cos y plus half sin y. Now these two cancel. Therefore 3 by 2 plus half is 2. Finally the simplified value is 2 sin y. Numerator is 2 sin y. Therefore given limit is equal to limit y tends to 0, 2 sin y by y. 2, this is constant, limit y tends to 0, sin y by y. This is standard limit. Therefore, finally 2 into 1, that is equal to 2, is the answer. Now I move to sum number 3. First we observe the given sum. Here we find x tends to y. Sign ratios are there. Now we have to think about the standard limit. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. X tends to y, that means we have to change the variable. Also, we note the numerator is sin square x minus sin square y. We can apply a square minus b square form. Also, we have the trigonometrical identity sin of x plus y into sin of x minus y is equal to sin square x minus sin square. I am taking the second one. First I write limit x tends to y sin of x plus y sin of x minus y x plus y into x minus y. Students, you will work out in the different form also, writing the numerator as sin x plus sin y into sin x minus sin y. Already I have told that any sum can be solved in various ways. I am working out in one way. You will try yourself in other method. Then you can improve your mathematical ability. Now, after writing this, we find sin of x plus y by x plus y. If I take this, then I can put in place of x, y. No problem will be there. That means I am applying the theorem limit x tends to a fx into gx is equal to limit x tends to a fx into limit x tends to a gx, product form. Limit x tends to y sin of x plus y into x plus y into limit x tends to y sin of x minus y by x minus y. For this part, if I put x equal to y, what we find? 0 by 0 form. Therefore, we can't do that. Here we change the variable. putting x minus y is equal to theta. Therefore, theta tends to 0 as x tends to y. Now I put here in place of x y, therefore it will be sine 2y by 2y into limit theta tends to 0 sine theta by theta. Now you see this one is the standard limit, therefore sine 2y by 2y into 1, the final result is sine 2y by 2y. This is the answer. I think you have followed. Those students who are observing this, already I have told you can try in other way also. For every sum, you try alternative way. First learn these methods or methods followed in your book. You try in other way. Then you can improve your mathematical skill. Now I move to sum number 4. Here I find x tends to pi and denominator is x minus pi. Therefore, we have to change the variable. First I change the variable. Put x minus pi is equal to theta. Therefore, x equal to pi plus theta. Therefore, theta tends to 0 as x tends to pi. Therefore, given limit is equal to limit theta tends to 0, 1 plus cos of pi plus theta divided by theta. Now, cos of pi plus theta, that means angle in the third quadrant where cos is negative. Therefore, this will be equal to limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta by theta. That is equal to limit theta tends to 0, 2 sine square theta by 2 by theta. Now I can write that as, let me rub first the upper part. That is equal to limit theta by 2 tends to 0. Since theta tends to 0, therefore theta by 2 tends to 0. Now I write this sine theta by 2 into sine theta by 2. Two is there, I take that at the denominator of the denominator, that is equal to limit theta by 2 tends to 0, sine theta by 2 by theta by 2 into limit theta by 2 tends to 0, sine theta by 2. After reaching this step, I check the sum whether I copied correctly or wrongly. I find that I wrote x minus pi here, but it will be pi minus x. For that, I have changed the steps like this. I have taken pi minus x equal to theta, that is x equal to pi minus theta. This will be same as earlier. Now given limit will be limit theta tends to 0, 1 plus cos of pi minus theta divided by theta. 1 minus cos theta matter is same here. Now limit theta by 2 tends to 0, sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. Now this and this one is 1 into limiting value will be here 0. Therefore result is 0. I think you have noted earlier I wrote here x minus pi, but it will be pi minus x. Accordingly, I have worked out and got the result 0.